You see, I was talking to one of my friends and asked him, buddy, how many streams of income do you have? He said, I got two. Like, what are those? One is from the job. He's working in an IT company. And the second one is I've invested some money in some paper assets. I said, how long have you been working for? He said, I've been working for more than 18, 20 years. Think about this. We've been getting degrees after degrees after degrees, but the basic understanding we did not have that we cannot rely on one or two streams of income. Tomorrow, if the job goes away or the investment did not work, what are you going to do? And that's exactly what is happening to most of the educated people. I worked in a job for 16 years and I had only one stream of income. And I was like, man, I'm growing and I'm improving, my promotions are happening, but who am I kidding? Who was I fooling? I was the most dumbest person because I was in a job relying on one stream of income. Now, if you're watching this, I want to ask you too, how many streams of income do you have? How long have you been working? What is your plan? How would you have financial freedom? How would you have financial confidence if you don't even have multiple streams of income? If you don't have the answer, and if you're wondering, Dave, what do I do? Where do I start? I have the answer for you. I've created a masterclass called Build Your Business Around Passion. This is exactly for people like me who were in a job, who are looking to find their passion and convert that to a business by building multiple streams of income. And the funny part is you can do that while you're still in a job, or if you already have a business, you can still build a multiple streams of income or multiple businesses. How can anybody do it? Join the webinar, which is going to be attended by thousands of people. Do not miss this opportunity because I may not do this very frequently. Why am I doing it? Because I was stuck in a job. I did not know what to do in life. Today, I can live the life of my dreams. I've made a lot of money, but more than the money, I've been able to impact lives and spend time with amazing people like Vishen Lakhiani, Dan Locke, Todd Brown, so many amazing people, celebrities, all thanks to the process that I've learned building multiple streams of income and living the life of my dreams. My name is Dev Gadhvi. I will see you in the masterclass. Join soon before the seats are full. Take care.